Hey guys, Costume Freak here. Got this month's June Loot Crate. Theme is Transform. Pretty excited for this one. Let's get started. Start opening it up. Let's see what we got. So we got some pretty awesome Transformer stuff. Let's start it out. So we got our little Transformers figures. Open it up, see what we got from Hasbro. Is it an Autobot or a Decepticon? I don't know. You can never tell. Alright. Mystery package. It's gonna be Autobot or Decepticon. You choose. Make your bets. And who do we have here today? Is this Megatron? That's right. It is old school Megatron. Got a little ID card with him. Give you some fun facts. Decepticon, Megatron. His function is, of course, the leader. Peace through tyranny. That's the way to go for the Decepticons. So, that's really cool. Really excited about all these Transformer stuff. Put that up with my other Loot Crate guys. They're all friends. Let's move on. Okay, what do we have here? You know, hang on, I'll show it to you guys. Transformers Hexbug. I'm not too sure what it is. Just a cool little gadget slash toy. It's Bumblebee, so that's always a bonus. What does it say? Transformable Nano moves by using vibration technology. Gonna have to check that out. Sounds pretty cool. I like that. And it's Bumblebee. Can't complain. Got our official Major League Gamer wristband, sweatband, for those intense nights for whatever game you might play, be it World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Han, Call of Duty, whatever you're into. MLG, that's where it's at. Now I'm official. And here we go. Our awesome shirt for this month. Let's see what we got. Oh, Time Traveler Marty McPrime. Oh, that's really cool. Maybe this is a little Easter egg from Back to the Future. Maybe I'll have to go and rewatch this. Oh, that is just awesome. I'm gonna wear that tomorrow. Got a couple little sour heads for all you sour candy people. A cool Decepticon sticker, decal, sticker, or decal. Some Major League Gaming advertisement. We've got Curse, Team Envy, Team Curse. Maybe stick them on your laptop or computer. Advertise your peeps. Let's see, what do we got here? A little exclusive deal for looters, a $5 value with MLG. Pretty cool. I like that's really awesome, Loot Crate. Way to go. Making me love you more and more every day. And we got our little Loot Crate Transformers pin. That's awesome. 2014 June, Loot Crate Transform. And of course, last but not least at all, is our Transform little booklet with the Loot Crate Transformer. You know, I wonder, is he an Autobot or Decepticon? Or is he neutral? Team Loot Crate, we love you. Roll out. Alright, well that's this month's Loot Crate. My name is Costume Freak. This is my month's June Transform Loot Crate. I will put a link down below for you to check out Loot Crate. And I'm signing off. Roll out.